What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video is going to be how much I made on TURO. So we're going to get into it. You feel me? We're going to talk facts. We're going to talk how much I made total and how much I made profit. So stay tuned in the video so you can see those numbers. Feel me? Subscribe, rock with me. I'm going to rock with y'all. Let's get into it. All right, so let's get straight into the numbers. I'm gonna be very transparent with y'all. I made $1,260 flat out.
Oh wow.
I made $1,260. Now how much I made profit, that's a different story. Now, what did I do? What did I have everything set to make $1,260? I basically had it on 60% insurance, which is full coverage through TURO. Basically meaning they pay for everything. If anything happens to the car, I get reimbursements. I get like free car rental, or like up to $50 a day or something for a car rental. You get ride share loss, so whatever you would have made possibly with your car, now that it's gone, you get the reimbursement for that. So basically, yeah, $1,200 or $1,260 to be exact. That's the big number. And that was for renting out 16 days. So I basically have 5 trips, all together. I had 5 trips. I know it's crazy, right? 5 trips. Most of them were 3-day lengths. I think it was like 2 or 1 was 2 days. I had to double check that. It really don't matter, but 16 days, $1,200. So a little bit under $100 a day, which isn't that bad, especially for the vehicle. I had the vehicle up for $190 a day. So taking 60% of that, that's about a little under $100 a day. After the fees and stuff, TURO be take that. You feel me? TURO, how TURO be, you feel me? But it is what it is. It's life, you feel me? At least you fully covered insurance wise. So yeah, so basically now my take home, or profit I should say, was actually $300 after my payments, after my insurance. I live in Michigan, which is the highest insurance okay. Well, Michigan has the highest insurance in the world, almost, I guess you could say. I don't know why, because no fault or something, I don't know. And then plus, I'm a younger dude, 23, fast car. Don't really go too well with the pricing for insurance. So, I mean, it is what it is. I was still profitable, yes, but is every month going to be like that? Probably not. Like, this is my 2nd month doing it, I think. And I have like 2 trips or something like that, and it's almost Thanksgiving. I forget what today is. I think it's like the 18th or something. I don't know. But yeah, so like yeah, $1,200, $300 profit, $190 a day, 16 trips, or 16 days worth of trips, I should say. I don't know. But yeah, it can be profitable if you have this type of car, like some type of luxury car. I don't know how it would go for like, regular economy cars, like, normal cars with cheaper rates and stuff like that. Might be a little different. You might get more trips, but it's going to be more cost to repair because, it's more use and wear and tear on the vehicle. So keep that in mind. This is a little short video just explaining how much I made, just in case you guys were wondering. If you have any questions, I can make a video about it. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff for me. Just support me, y'all. If you like cars, all that good stuff, rock with me, I'm gonna rock with y'all. But yeah, it's the end of the video. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that good stuff, so you won't miss any further videos. If you guys want me to do more TURO related videos, just let me know. I'll do them. Like, it's not really my expertise, but I mean, I do it, so I'm learning. You know, we can learn together, all that good stuff. So, end of the video. I'm out this thing. It's your boy jkoolii. Till next time, peace. Bring them up.